I'm playing this, so I lost last place. What the heck? It's stamped. Oh, let me just get it up close. Ah, perfect. Now let's do another round. Let's wait for the others. The others need to come too. Waiting. Do 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 do. Ah, yes. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Yeah. No. Man. No, another game. Another. That can't be. Come on. You just need to hold it. Oh. This is gonna be now hard. Ah! No! Oh, I was second. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. That was a good game. Still not good, actually, but I think it's still good. Ugh. Please stand up. Can you see it? Why does it take so long? Yeah. No! What the heck? What the heck did I just did? Can you see me? Okay, I'm right here, but don't worry. Yes! Wait. No! What the heck? Yes. So I did know my home a little bit. So here it is, actually. So here's how it looks like. So I have a sofa right here. A little rug. With a pillow and a penguin plushie. Here I have books and my writing table and just a little rug. Big rug. And here I have a piggy rug with a table. So yeah, I did some sorts, so yeah. But everything at the store was members, like members. I mean, is members rare? I don't have. I mean, like, what the heck? What is members really? Members really? Come on. Camera, please. Please. I give you 1,000 money. Please. Yes, thank you. Huh. So, yeah. Okay, I want to still game. No, I don't want to. No. No, I don't want to. Okay, Ma, it's open. Yes, open. Now people can come to my den. Is there parties? Party! That's party. Okay, I'm too early. Wait, what? No one is there, actually. What the heck? Parties. Oh, there is it. Woo, woo, dancey dance, dancey dance. Ooh, it's so cute. 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 Oh, okay. Oh, she's a new jumper like me. I think I'm gonna be friends with her. Is she gonna be my friend? Okay, no. She won't. Ooh, she looks pretty. The panda. Oh man, she's gone. It's okay. I still gotta come back then. But I still need to style myself. Let's go to Jamaa. What? How many people must be here actually? What the? Wow. So I need to get me clothes. I really want to clothes and... Oh, this claw looks like Cooker's Roll C. Wait, am I kicked out? No, I just gone to the door. What the heck? Wait. What? Oh, sale. Okay, let's see what I gotta get. Well, like, first I need to get me a dress. Like, really members? Must that be? Why are there so many members? Like, what? Spring Flower Crown, really? Do they have anything else than members? What? All the fairy wings for members? What? Why? I think I only need to vote. Okay, gotta buy me. Thank you. Fairy wings! I need those right now. Thank you. Okay, finished. Finished with closing. Now I can go back to the party. Let's go back to the party. I look perfectly perfect. I look like a fairy. I'm pretty. But I'm still trying to get 6,000 gems. So I can get, What the heck? Okay, hold on. I just gotta see what is going on outside. Because they're like, whoa. Oh, what? Oh, she wants to be my buddy. Okay. I like having buddies. They're almost like friends. Like, friends are the best. They can, like, talk with you and, you wanna then play something. But something not really, like, oh, she wants to be my buddy, okay. I think they're thinking that I am Princess Bellina or something, right? If they are, I'm like, what? How do they know me? So yeah. Best dressed, yeah, best dressed. I like best dressed. Okay. Oh, what are we? Okay, we need to wait a little bit. Let's just wait till the next round. These look so cute. Oh my gosh. They have everything. What the heck? What? Oh, they have also sunglasses. Ew. Come out! Ah, yes, finally. Strahlend. I need, how are you gonna be like that? Strahl? Okay, I don't know. I mean, how can it be? Okay, it's just gonna be like summer. What? I don't. No. 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 I haven't even closed me yet. No. 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 Okay, who's the winner? What? How did I get first? What? How did I get this? Oh my gosh. What? Okay, next round. What is gonna be? Actually, how is that? Okay, I don't understand, but I'm just gonna go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. If I'm gonna do this and not good, then I'm gonna be I suck really well. Okay, not good that. Okay, not good word. Wait, why did you say that? No, 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 no. Okay, looks like I'm done. Yes. Okay, I'm done. Wow, that looks cool. I'm gonna look for her. Just like in the corner. Here. Who's the winner? I get not a winner. I knew it. I knew it. No. Okay. Next round. Come on. Okay, I think I need to look fancy. Oh, I gotta take this with... No, I can only this. Okay. I don't know what to wear. I mean, I don't know what this word means. You know that I am Germany, but I really don't know what that means. I mean, how does it do actually? I mean, so yeah. I'm just gonna get... Okay, I'm finished. Finished. This slime looks cool. Who's the winner? Really? No vote for me? How? This one was a tough one. Okay. Come on. Okay, what is it? Oh, sport. We need something sportish. What is sport?